Bit of a road trip today, spent some time in the bush, headed up to Nimatabel, which is about an hour or hour and a half from where I live, and calling in to see a little church called St Andrew's, the first Catholic church on the Monaro. So I'll take some video. Misty morning in Nimatabel, and here's St Andrew's. Early pioneer church, first church on the Monaro. G'day, here today at St Andrew's Catholic Church in Nimatabel, circa 1856. Sacred to the memory of our forebears, Gaelic Speaking Scots, pioneers of Nimatabel. So not open today. Can't get in for the stained glass windows, but beautiful little church. I'd love to get in there one day, see the stained glass windows. Yeah, beautiful little church. Now heading out into the bush. Spent a bit of the day in nature. So this road leads down to a swamp, and we're not far from Bombala. It's winter here in Australia. These are the paper daisies that pop up around the area. And they feel like paper. But this would be the last of them before the new batch in the spring. Okay, it's not much of a day, just a day out looking for new camping spots. The place we were camping at is part of state forest, so apparently you're not allowed to light fires down there, and we're coming into winter, so we're looking for a place in the national park to do some camping trips. So, but it's been a pleasant day. Heading back to Canberra now, and yeah, it's just been beautiful being in God's creation. So yeah, I'll take a little bit more video and that'll be it for the day. Just came through a little creek crossing on the way out and found this little, it's a creek, but full of tree ferns. Just absolutely gorgeous. And that's the road came up on, and the creek crosses over there. But it's like Jurassic Park. Absolutely beautiful. because the swamp wallabies are coming out. There's one. They just took off. They're after the grass on the side of the culverts. I see they've got the 1080 poison bait signs out.
As soon as you turn it off,
One will jump out. Oh, there's some guys on motorbikes.
as soon as you turn it off, they will be wallaby. Yeah.
Oh, too late.
Oh,
Here we go, back into civilization.